All right, good morning, you guys. Another great day. Two trades today, both off fair value gaps. So we had this 5 minute gap from. We made $1,200 again, so another $1,000 day. But basically we had the this 5 minute gap form, and it's being retested right now actually. But we had this 5 minute gap form, so we scaled down to the 15-second, and it tapped in right here. It got a great reaction, so I entered on this next candle, and then shot up, went to my take profit, then retested and shot up even more. I was like, wow, it got a great reaction. I think we're gonna be very bullish today. So plus if we come here, right, we'll just go to 15 minute. We had all these targets of buy side liquidity up here, so I really did want to see longs regardless. Whoa. So then seeing how bullish we were, I saw we created this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Got a great fill, actually, a great entry. Basically wicked it. I think we got in on this second little wick right here. So got in on this down wick once I saw it retest, and then saw it was respecting it, hopped in, wrote it out to like these highs. Again, I am entering pretty heavy, but I'm okay. I'm confident with these trades. Honestly, fair value gaps with liquidity. I mean, I don't know, they've been treating me well. So yeah, another $1,200 day, and yeah, we now only need $450 to pass this count. So hopefully we can pass the account tomorrow. Definitely gonna be a little cautious on how I'm trading tomorrow, because Friday typically markets don't move the best on Friday, at least from my experience. So yeah, we'll see what happens, and I will see you guys tomorrow.